Good morning, everybody. RV living with the geezer. I'm keeping my voice down because I want y'all to see my neighbors come to visit this morning. Those are mule deer. I think Velma throws corn out over there for them. And I haven't seen the flock of turkeys that we had last year. It's a pretty morning. There's the sun popping up. Hear that dove? Can you hear the dove in the background? Let's see if I can get a little movement out of them. They're looking at me now. They've spotted me now. There they go. They're real. They're real skittish. There's that dove. Just a little nature this morning from the geezer, huh? Let's see if this thing will focus if I try to hit the moon with it. There we go. Camera doesn't do it justice. It's about 6:30 in the morning, Saturday. Just a quick little video. Hope everybody has a great weekend. And peace out. Stay blessed. And by all means, stay positive. Keep that negativity out from between your ears. Talk to y'all later. Me and the deer and my buddy say adios. Bye-bye.